you so much. First of all, it's wonderful to be present with a diverse audience. We are truly Indian in our representation today, right from Kashmir to Kerala, and from Punjab to West Bengal. Uh, for me particularly, I'm a hardcore. I grew up in a vernacular environment, though I went to an English medium school. So for me personally, it was important, and I then started working in media. So as a working professional and people whom we are going to teach, I had to let go of my native accent and rebuild from scratch, and it is difficult. And back then, 30 years back, teachers brought their own biases in their language itself. So the last slides, "Arey aap kya kar rahe ho?" Even if you had to say it in English, "What are you doing?" is you're actually translating it. So we spoke English, but it was translation. But here today, when you become conscious, you become alert. So we all say we have to walk erect, but we don't pay attention to our posture. So it's something like that. Here now, whenever we speak, we'll be careful about the way we deliver. So it's almost theatrical, where we are all actors now, and we have to pretend to be a part of a play, and the character is ourselves, and be conscious of the way that we are delivering our dialogues. So for me, that is the greatest takeaway. Thank you so much.